ideas to maximize the space for smaller homes is what we're going to talk about today. Hello and happy Friday, everyone. Harpreet Christie here with Remax of Lloydminster. I hope you all have had a productive and fantastic week. Let's talk about home improvement ideas for smaller homes. If you're living in a home around 1,000 square feet, you are technically living in a small home, but even larger homes could feel small with the wrong paint colors and layout, etc. Here are some tips and tricks to follow to maximize your square footage best and bring out the illusion of a larger living space. Tip number 1. You are going to want to start with paint color. Lighter, cool hues will always make your rooms feel more open and larger. Lighter walls visually make your walls appear to be further apart. Tip number 2, lighten your floors. The same principle applies to implementing lighter walls. It gives the illusion of a larger, more open space when reflected against natural light. Tip number 3, install ceiling length curtains. Floor to ceiling length curtains makes your walls appear taller, though giving the impression of more space. There are several ways to enhance a small space. Check out my blog at bordercityrealestate.com for more helpful information. Follow these tips and feel like you moved into a whole new home. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. Everyone be safe. Don't forget to smile, and bye for now.